Hi there, my name is Fox, but the hiker community knows me as Finnisher. So I'm a long-distance hiker from Finland, but I also happen to be a professional radiographer, and I have about 15 years of clinical experience in radiography, and actually I'm currently doing my master's degree. I'm today here to talk about using the self-made face masks, and I want to stress that I'm not a virologist, I'm not an epidemiologist, I'm not here to tell you if you should use one or should not, but I'm here to guide you that in case you choose to use a self-made face mask, that how you should be using that. So in this video, I'm going to show you the correct way to use a self-made face mask and also the incorrect way. Before putting your face mask on, make sure that your hands are clean, either by washing your hands or using hand sanitizer. When putting your mask on, make sure it covers the nose and mouth properly. Whatever model you are using, attach it nice and tight so that you don't have to readjust while wearing it. Whenever possible, avoid putting your face mask on with dirty hands. Don't attach the straps haphazardly or readjust your mask while wearing it. Keep your hands off your face mask during the time you are wearing it. Do not use face mask partially or take it off while you're wearing it and put it then back on. In general, avoid all kind of touching of your face or face mask. When it's time to take your mask off, start by sanitizing your hands or washing them, whichever is available for you. Always open the straps or the ear loops from behind of your head. Tilt your head forwards and let the mask fall off your face, and then put it straight to waste bin or dirty laundry. Finish by sanitizing or washing your hands. These procedures will help you not to self-contaminate yourself with the face mask. Never touch the front part of your mask or take it off in a hurry. Although wearing face mask might be helpful, still the social distancing is the most effective way to avoid infecting anyone. So avoid close contact to other people, otherwise wearing a mask won't be a great help. I hope you found this video helpful in case your employer or government requires you to wear one. According to the Technology Research Center of Finland, a self-made face mask has only about 20% of filtration rate, so it's not very good protection for yourself, but you can use it in order to protect others. Thank you for watching.